One of the challenges when it comes to customer experience is to figure out what are all the ideal paths that people can take, and how can we help them to find their way through those paths to the outcome that we hope that they'll get to. But an even bigger problem is that each person has a different path that they're going to want to take, because all of us are different. And that's exactly where our next sneak comes in. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning, the system can constantly go through and evaluate which paths your teams have created and look at the paths that people are actually taking. And then midstream, while people are interacting with those paths, the system can automatically discover what is the ideal path for that individual and then present them with an experience that takes them down that path. This sneak is called Bon Voyage, and to show us this technology, I'd like to introduce Aaron O'Connor.
Thanks, Steve. I'm excited to show you Project Bon Voyage. Let's say I'm a marketer at Savoy, a fictitious casino hotel brand, and I'm constantly faced with the challenge of increasing brand engagement every day for our guests. In this demo, I'm going to show you journey orchestration and how I can use it to maximize engagement and increase guest spend, while at the same time creating a personalized, tailored experience for all of our hotel guests. For the sake of today's demo, I'm going to utilize an existing journey that was created for the guest check-in process. As you can see here, we have a breakdown of paths. We have repeat stay customers, entertainment enthusiasts, and retreat lovers. So let's get this journey started. I'm going to start the journey by creating a goal. I'm going to make the goal type maximize and increase engagement. And I'm going to set the revenue target to $1 million. What's really cool about this new goal feature is that in real time, I'm able to see how our journey is performing and make any tweaks or enhancements to make sure we're on track to hitting our goal. Everything looks great here, so I'm going to add this goal to our journey, publish this journey, and start tracking it against our goal. 2 weeks have passed since we published our journey, and it looks like we're only at 30% to our $1 million. This is a little bit lower than I was expecting, so let's go back and check on our paths to understand why it's performing this way. I'm going to utilize Adobe Sensei to get deeper insights to understand why the paths are performing lower than I expected. As you can see here, it looks like repeat stay customers are not engaging well. Let's dig in a little deeper. Oh, interesting. As we see here, majority of the people in this segment prefer to open up our push notifications between 6 and 8 p.m. And if I change the time of send to accommodate each individual's timing preferences, we can maximize clicks and engagement. Let's try it out. Wow, this is awesome. Look at that. But that's not only what Sensei is providing. Adobe Sensei provided deep, rich insights on this specific segment. And it looks like 82% of this segment are roulette lovers. No wonder why they're not engaging with our free meal offer. Let's add this new path to our journey. All right, everything looks great. So let's republish this journey again and start tracking its performance with the new insights and updates. Voila, look at that. We're almost to our $1 million goal. This was the first time ever we were able to utilize journey orchestration to set a goal and watch its performance all in real time. And we were able to make tweaks and adjustments in order to enhance the customer experience. We also leveraged Adobe Sensei to get rich, deep insights on our segment to make sure that each experience was personalized and tailored. Thank you so much for watching Project Bon Voyage. Back to you, Steve.
Thank you, Aaron. Incredible technology, perfect for a sneak. If you'd like us to continue to invest in this technology that uses artificial intelligence and combines it with pathing for the individual with real-time adjustments, please let us know. We'll be looking for your input.